Us to join a traditional English hunting party.
How do you like my horse?
There are lots and lots of dogs of the same color and size, and some people in strange costumes who seem to be the leaders.
We've been wearing these hats for hundreds of years, you see. Try it on. Bravo, you look wonderful. Just wonderful.
We are all very much looking forward to seeing the animal that these people like to hunt. It's a small ginger dog called a fox.
Just to remind you all, and particularly for the sake of our esteemed visitors, that we will be hunting within the terms of the 2004 Hunting Act, and we'll be following the trail laid by the quad bike. Thank you very much.
Ya may na yung tuklama po man, kaman. Kupapsin dyan. Ilaman yung dami na nila. We find this very strange. Instead of hunting real foxes, they are going to run after an artificial fox called a quad bike.